Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, May 28, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Tether daily time frame chart at Zondacrypto, where I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. So what do we have here? Very interesting candle has been done on the Bitcoin to Tether chart. And this candle is yesterday's candle. You can see that the local high was made at 70,815 tethers, and then the candle closed way lower than the daily high. And today's we have the some sort of the movement to the downside. The candle is red already, and slowly, step by step, little by little, we are approaching the lows of 66,559. For now, the market is trying to test the technical support. This technical support is located at let's say 67,562, but any breakout below this support would likely be negative, and then of course we can test this support here, 66,500, or even test the technical support of the big breakout candle located roughly around 65,962. The overall situation is rather in favor of bulls, most likely because there is a very nice uptrend in the background, right? So we got this trend line here. Of course it will be orange as usual. So we got this trend line here, and the market is bouncing from this trend line, and it keeps moving higher as we bounce from the trend line. So as long as we trade above this short-term trend line, the outlook remains rather bullish. But please be careful with this recent very nasty looking candlestick pattern, kind of a pin barish, kind of a shooting starish candlestick pattern, which is not always in favor of the bulls. So let me just add one more indicator to our analysis, RSI. The RSI indicator is showing us that the momentum is barely positive. As you can see, we can place the level of the line for the level of 50, which separates the positive from the negative sentiment. Momentum is still positive, but it's not strong at all. Only 54 points right now on the RSI. So the outlook for the momentum apparently doesn't actually looks that much in favor of a bulls. However, it's still looking good. It's not you know, it's nothing. There is no reason to panic just yet, basically. There is still a few hours for this candle to close. Maybe at the end of the day this candle will be green. If it will be green, then of course the bulls are in charge of the market, and they are still trying to move higher. As long as we trade above the this technical supports, and as long as we trade above the trend line, the outlook still remains bullish. Hopefully the RSI will stay above the level of the 50, so the outlook might be something like this in the nearest future. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.